Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to factory reset the 7515-C indicator. What you're going to want to do is you want to press hold, unit, and the on and off button all at the same time during the countdown. So you're going to go ahead and turn it on and then press all three during the countdown and it'll take you to DEF. You're going to want to use your unit button to change it to 1, and then press hold to confirm that, and it's going to factory reset the indicator. We'll go ahead and go through the countdown and go all the way to factory reset. Thank you very much.